Titimo
Attend all the beat.
Mama ebango bali wanika bali wanika kugambe bali wanika abana bali wanika nze nakiriza bali wanika ebanga bana twali wanika okimanyi nti twali wanika nze nakiriza twali wanika ebango bali wanika banyi batete bambalanika tebanyegane bogasinika.
Hey guys, welcome. What's up? It's me, your girl, Jacinta Love, and I welcome you to Lulon Avenue Media. Guess what? We're going to put the Chiabe Chova during the Langa Churchilava Fetuchikulate, then no kind. So what you have to do, get up Facebook or liking, then YouTube or whether was subscribing Dutch money to know Baselebu from Kampala at Enomuchalo, Bakole to Yanja. What do you mean Bakola Muchalo? So together to Sakwana Kululo and Avenue Media. What you have to do, just go on our Facebook page, like our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel still on Lulon Avenue Media. And guess what? Wadoch money ntino waselebu okuva mu watu family and to explain ogera kuba balabanga wano buli kasera nebina Uganda byabwe buli kasera bigera kubanga bit streaming wane eno katobi laba live omuli kasiye jodi bosiko mwanja Steven Kabarana dongolo yo magezi Ronaldi Stanley nakachwa Elisa ne baselebu bona bakuzanyire bina Uganda tukira kubanga tubalonnya fe tukira kubanga tubazula buli omunje bali mu nsonda mu kona buli abantu tukubeno tukuberi kasavu kanyama ate buli lwakutaano tugenda kubanga tukutuusaako hot seat basalebu okuva mu Lulo ne Abani. Like our pages and subscribe or whether following us. Thank you and see you.